Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stalkers and ninZa Pro Traders. Let's take a look. We'll see what happened since the open. Looks like we opened around 2053.25. Really dropped back to red DTZ zone down to a major pivot at around 2045.50 and just bounced right back up to the opening high right around the 2375. Actually just a little bit higher right into a pivot point and then right back down again. So we've just been bouncing between this range here, about a 12-point range or so. Looks like 2043.50 for the low this morning. Actually double bottomed right here. Straight back up through our first target zone for the day for a high of 56. 2056 came back and double topped that and then straight back down to this DTZ again. So we're in for a lot of consolidation today. So as we take off from right here at the 2045, saw a little bit of sideways right here and right up into this other DTZ. So you can see we're just consolidating with two major zones, possibly three right in here. It looks like it's setting up to be another typical day we've had the last few weeks. A lot of volatility in here, a lot of movement, so we need to be cautious and careful. So what should we do today? Let's take a look to the upside to start with here. We bounced back down here, retested this 24-hour VWAP, coming back down to retest it here. And now from this point right here in this zone, if we can get a move back up to close just above the 49.75, so to close about the 50 area, which could be a long move. Look for a first target up into this zone somewhere around 2054 to 2055. After that, you want to look for another pullback into the zone. Hopefully this time the 51.75 is going to hold. But it could come all the way back to this 50 before bouncing back up. What we need to do is go all the way up to this 56, go through the 56 to the 57 area, and then come back and retest the top of this zone or somewhere between 55 and 54. Retest this area right in here. Once we get back in this area, initiate another long, and hopefully go straight up into this next target at 2060, 2062. Take at least one part of your profits off right here at this area at the 59 and let trailers run as high as it'll go. We're more than likely going to get to 62, possibly to 63, 75 area, and we'll pull back into this zone, maybe all the way back to the back, and then look for targets high today of around 2067 if it's really an uptrend day. Now let's look to the upside, or to the downside, I'm sorry. If we come back down right here and we look at the this zone right here, if we fail this, look for the next movement down, right back down here at the 45 area. It's kind of an ugly area, so I wouldn't be taking any trades in here. I'd wait for us to come back down here and double bottom. At the double bottom, look to start to go long and look back at this long scenario we just talked about, okay? Now, however, it takes this double bottom right here, comes back up, it'll retest the 45 for sure, possibly the 47, and next move down will be down to this 42 to 40 zone. After that, we want to look for a movement down into this 39, look for a pull back up into the 49, 41 area, and then down to this 35 area, possibly pull back up into this 39, maybe even the 40, and see what the bulls, if they're going to step in and take over and take us back to the long side. However, if it fails, anywhere in here, especially on the 39.25 area, look for the next move all the way down into this low zone of 31 to 29 area, which I expect to be about the low for the day. So you can start looking to possibly get into a long scenario and take it straight back up today. Possible targets down here this morning, 22 to 20, and but that's not likely. However, again, we got targets down here at 2013, 2012. Be cautious of this area here. If this just turns into a straight down day, don't be taking any longs. Be cautious on your re-entries for shorts. If you have any questions, contact Frank at Trade Stalkers and have a great day.